In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload transactions manually in QuickBooks Online. This process may seem daunting at first, but don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you have all the information you need to make it as smooth as possible. Let's dive right in. Begin by navigating to the QuickBooks website. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up. For those who already have an account, simply click on Sign In to continue. In doing so, you will be prompted to enter your account details. Fill them in, and then click Continue. After you're successfully logged in, you will arrive at a screen prompting you to enter your password. Click Enter Password, and once typed in, proceed with Continue. Now that you're signed in, choose the specific company file where you want to upload your transactions. This step ensures that you're working in the right area, particularly if you manage multiple business accounts. Now navigate to the QuickBooks Online dashboard, which is your main hub of activity. From here, click on Accounting in the menu. This will take you to a section where you can manage various financial tasks. Look for the option labeled Bank Transactions and click on it. Beneath this option, you'll see Or Upload Transactions Manually. This is the feature we want to use today, so go ahead and select it. Next, you'll be prompted to select the account to which you want to upload your transactions. Choose the appropriate bank or credit card account, ensuring it's the one where these transactions occurred. Once this has been set, click on Credit Card as our upload example. Proceed by clicking on Upload from this device. Ensure that the file containing your transactions is saved on your computer and is in a format accepted by QuickBooks, such as CSV. Once located, select the file to begin uploading. Before continuing, QuickBooks might prompt you with a setup screen. Click on Let's set up your file in QuickBooks to begin mapping your data fields. Ensure each column of your file is matched correctly with the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Make any necessary adjustments so your data imports correctly. Once that's set, click on Highlight to verify the transaction details. QuickBooks will let you select the date format you have used in your spreadsheet. Typically, this is MMDDYY, so ensure you match it correctly with the format in your file. Finally, click Continue. This will guide you through a summary screen where you can review your transaction data one last time. Hit Yes to confirm everything looks good, and then click on Done to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your transactions manually into QuickBooks Online. Remember, practicing a few times will make you more comfortable and efficient at this task, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!